What is it that you usually like to sketch?
I'm trying to like go back to like proper sketching architectural things and try to capture buildings and how they merge with nature and stuff like that. Not very human or portrait kind of person, so I'll just try to skip humans. Not very good at that. Let's not disappoint anybody.
Hey, Prajakta.
I
So how? Let's do the Bangalore sketchbook project today. Let's just see your sketchbook.
My sketches are dispersed ऐसे एक दो books में. I'm not very good at organizing, but I'll just show what I have so far. So, like the sketchbook I got some 1.5 years ago, where mostly I like the paper quality and also the color. You can really experiment with just black and white theme on this. Uh, I love painting, but sketching is something that I've been trying to do. And I felt like the sketchbook will give me opportunity, like basically just to experiment on 2D
Yeah,
things and not much effort because the paper itself makes it shine. So that's where. So this is one of the sketch from trip to Sikkim, where I sketched it like in half an hour or something. I went with my family. There was this pagoda there, so it was quite white, and I didn't because I was on trip. I did not have much equipment, so I just chose to do it with white pencil and black pencil.
Acha, this is a pencil.
Yeah, it's pencil. So mostly like just rough sketching around it. So
How was it sitting and sketching this while you were with family?
yeah, I mean, they just went to visit. I later ran and saw the whole monument, but like it took. I just did it very quickly, like because they are not very patient kind. So I just like love the whole white thing that was going on. Usually, those pagodas are also very shiny and like
Yeah.
vibrant, but this was one which was in green nature and like sitting just white in between the whole greenery basically. So I just felt like sketching that. And luckily I had this book. This was very new that time. So I just chose to make it first. And this was something in Mumbai. There's this curve, Horniman Circle karke, where all the buildings are in curvature. So again, with limited resources, I had some white pen. Just while walking, I'd sketched it in like 5 to 10 minutes. Those curved buildings and all. So I was just trying to sketch it in terms of depth, also a little bit, but keeping it flat. Um, as I said, like I'm not very good at like very sketchy things. I tried to do it in very 2D way, not much playing with depth and everything. Um, yeah. So yeah, um, this was something that I sketched in Mumbai. Apart from this, this is
USK.
the USK's first sketch that I did. It was in Belandur Temple. This
Ah, yeah, I
is
remember
yeah.
that.
I think this is the first time. I don't remember you, but I
I
met
don't-
you for the first time there, and Madhura also.
Yeah, I don't think I was in this temple.
So we were sketching from the inside of the temple that time, and there I tried to like sketch the gateway, entrance gateway, and some passage. So this was like a little depth also, 3D elements, little depth.
Nice.
But this took time. Like it was something that I started after quite a while. And I had just come to Bangalore, so I was in that josh to do something. So yeah, this was Belandur Temple. This is again urban sketches. The one we went to this art college, I forgot the name, but like it was outskirts of Bangalore. It was sort of a day trip that we went. So the art college was quite nice
Acha,
architecturally.
I was at Vistara.
Vistara, right? Vistara. Um, so Vistara, I think they had a lot of buildings. It was on acres of land, and they had these corridors which were beautifully connecting all
Yeah,
the
yeah,
buildings. Basically, the buildings were normal, but the passages were something that I felt like brought creativity and like it would really inspire the students there to sketch. So yeah, and it was filled with greenery. They had these lines of bushes which were sort of maintained, but at the same time like naturally, organically spanning. Yeah. So yeah, just sketched that quickly. Wanted to highlight like the blend of architecture as
Yeah,
well as
yeah.
green thing.
You want the phrase?
Cute. But, oh,
Hey,
this
this
is
is
very
that,
funny one. But
polo.
polo.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah, I think I like this very capturing the moment.
Yeah, it was very like there was not one single moment where we could just observe and sketch or anything. It was very fast moving, so it was just like
Nice.
the whole like basically the sketch meet. We were scared to our lives ki the horses are gonna come like on us. So the whole time we were just mostly watching and
Sitting
last
on the field.
yeah that
end of the
goal post
Oh, okay.
goalpost near the post. So there was this guard who used to say "bhago," and then we had to run when they were coming towards the goalpost.
Oh.
So we were
Oh my
right at
God,
that. So it was more of watching than sketching. So this was like just last minute. Because we came for sketching, I had to do something. So
Nice.
I just took my brush pens and then directly did it with brush pens that time. And I wanted to show the chaos there, so just it's very chaotic.
Yeah, that's good.
Um, this was in Pottery Town. They were making these fresh piggy bank kind of thing. So just wanted to capture that.
Oh, this is the top view.
Just top view. They had like these beautifully like like just engraved these small piggy banks in the Pottery Town. So just one of those things. Again, like I'm trying to mix only like majorly black and white, and then just some monochrome thing going on to show just
And
colors.
when I saw this first, I thought it was a rangoli.
Yeah.
Now, yeah,
Yeah.
makes sense.
Just off view. And here I tried to experiment with a little color. This was the library near the Cubbon Park, the central library if I'm not wrong. So they have this hall, memorial hall there. So just sketch the facade for that. I think this also I spent quite a good amount of time. I also sketched the similar thing. The building is round from behind, so I think that was USK's 50-year anniversary or something. So they gave us some cups. So I sketched the same round thing on the cup. I should have got that. Yeah. So that was the main thing that I did, and then this was something like in the leftover time that I did. So mostly like
Christmas.
and this is Christmas.
This is shiny.
It's screaming Christmas. I think
Actually,
that
this
just
looks like a lady with a skirt who's wearing a.
yeah, there's a 5-story here. Like again, urban sketches. We went to this UB City Mall. They took us, and then I was very excited for the green Christmas tree. And then when I went there, it was a white Christmas tree. There was nothing green. It was all like artificial white Christmas tree. And it's supposed to be the biggest Christmas tree in Bangalore. It was supposed to be the biggest tree in Bangalore, but I just thought I'll continue with my green agenda, and then I just sketched green.
So cool.
And then it was all because we went in the evening. It was quite a night time. It was all shiny, sparkly. So I just chose to do it with sparkle.
So cool. Hey, Neha.
This I'll skip. Sorry.
This is Mohan building.
Mohan building, which was in Chickpet. We stood in that gallery near the on the top floor that was there in that small passage, and then sketched from there, so I could just see the top.
Yeah, this
So-
Mohan building was a fun location.
Uh-huh.
Very vibrant.
Yeah. So it was more to capture with this roof dynamics that was going on.
Yeah.
So
The old wooden roof.
yeah.
proper.
I tried to recall my architectural things and then I tried to detail it out, although arches and frames and everything. So yeah, this was fun. And
Hey, beer club.
this was that walk that was there with, I forgot.
This is raw mango.
Yeah, so this was basically a sketch walk kind of thing, which they asked us to do. Which
Then
they
excess. Oh,
Excess.
excess.
So they gave us like 10 minutes. You can sketch around each of the corner of that. So it's a junction. So you can go to the all the parts of the junction near that beer club,
Right.
and basically beer club being the start point, and then you can go anywhere and then sketch around it and just capture the essence of the area. And you have to create it in one page itself. So I just divided it randomly because I wanted to keep it, because there are like 6 lanes that are coming, and beer club being the center. So I just
Nice.
chose to drew their logo, and then this is Vittal. What was his name?
Vittal Malia.
Malya. His statue, and then those Starbucks in background. Then there like a lot of greenery is going on, and there are these fancy maintained trees.
Is this a
there.
pirate? What is this?
This is that soda water opener wala. So there, that signature basically image, and they had written all the dishes names on the roof. So just tried to capture that. And then there was this fancy house, which was called Raw Mango, and they had these maintained trees and like very exotic palm trees that they had. Like whole house is actually hidden behind those trees. So that was good. Then Kingfisher Tower, you get glimpse of that in the background, and these two are the beer club things. So very funny that they've written on the wall, "Our beer is colder than your excess." So yeah, the whole basically area is very vibrant and like funky. There's a Hero Motocorp, Hero Vida, their new store, which has like this very colorful facade. Like done that to their shop basically, store basically. So that is also there. So whole area is funky. You will never know what's going on in that junction. Yeah, I think mostly this. So this is
Hey, this is. I remember. I was also here.
yeah, this is at HL museum that we went. So there I just tried to. That time I had got this sketchbook new, so I was just trying to use it how I can use both black and white in one go, and I just felt like this could be good because the aeroplane allows you to do that like whole
Vertical.
sketch. So again, like it was quick experiment, one with like ink pen, like a fountain pen, and then one was just with brush and white, like acrylic. So yeah, that was something that I was trying to experiment. I feel like I was really happy with whatever it was.
Nice.
I'm trying to use the sketchbook more in like elongated way. This is another one good one I feel, where I was just walking through this Indiranagar area. First I started with this Rameshwaram and Panini, Paris Panini, near that. I had breakfast and then started sketching from there. In that lane towards this HL, I was walking towards HL. So in that lane there are a lot of fancy houses as well as mix of government quarters, and everything there is sort of green in color. All the government buildings are also marked in green in color, and they blend with a lot of greenery around. Like I just thought green I'll highlight here. And then there was this one area where I just went through a lane where there are like 2 temples and in between a church, and it was full with like people. It was Saturday morning, and then there was some festival also going on. So outside the temple they had these stacked layer, some pandal kind of thing that was going on where they were serving prasad and all also, and it was right in front of the church. So it was very funny setup, but it was good. And then just PSLV, that HL I reached. So that was there in the start. So I just entered there.
Nice.
So I was also trying to capture the elevation, how I went
Oh,
through the area. But this was like sketch walk, really. Yeah, so that's what I have, I think.
you did it by yourself, like you're walking by yourself.
Yeah. I went to have breakfast and then I thought कि I'll walk to HL. But then I just thought कि I'll start something on the way also. And these were some of my watercolor experiments.
This was the postcard, I think.
Yeah,
the
Philatelic Museum.
Philatelic
Pretty
Museum.
cool.
This looks like a postcard.
Yeah, so so I just thought keep going with the theme ki we are in the
It's
Philatelic
matching
Museum.
both of your dresses.
Yeah. So I am like watercolors, just brush watercolors and majorly focusing on sketching the elements. Again, architectural elements a little bit. And last but not the least, this was in somewhere in Lal Bagh.
Near the lake.
Near the lake. Yeah, we're sketching together. So this was like just very muddy lake, after rain, muddy lake. And everybody was sketching the actual lakefront. We were just sketching around the back side of it, like back water where it was a little stagnant water. So just tried to capture those colors and watercolors if I can do better way. So
Nice.
because it's lush green, I wanted to make
Yeah, it does look
touch,
that.
like in your
Like,
face
the feeling
green,
is very much there.
in your face green kind of.
You
yeah,
like
this is
green in
how-
general?
Huh?
You
Yeah,
like green in general?
yeah. Yeah, that's mostly it.
If you had to see someone else's sketchbook, whose would that be? Like the story behind the sketchbook of someone.
I think a lot of people actually like. I love, especially in urban sketches also. Like a lot of people just do rough pen sketching and they capture like human also, architectural play also, and then there are some activities also. So I feel like just subtle someone who is capturing the essence of the space is. I would love to like basically see their sketchbooks more than fully colored and polished sort of sketches. I feel like I love that.